Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a gaming graphics card that combines raw power, advanced technology, and rock-solid reliability, the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition is one of the best options available today. Built on NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture, this GPU is designed not only for gamers, but also for content creators, streamers, and anyone looking to push their PC to the next level. With support for DLSS 4, the card leverages AI-enhanced graphics to deliver sharper, smoother visuals and faster performance in modern games. The AI performance reaches an impressive 785 TOPS, which means this card is ready for tasks that go beyond traditional gaming, including AI-assisted rendering, machine learning applications, and other demanding workflows. At the heart of this card is 8GB of GDDR7 memory, providing incredibly fast bandwidth for high-resolution gaming and heavy workloads. The card runs at a base clock of 2662 MHz, but in OC mode, it boosts to 2692 MHz, giving you that extra performance edge when you need it most. Whether you're exploring massive open-world games, competitive shooters, or graphic-intensive simulations, this GPU ensures fluid gameplay and minimal lag, allowing you to stay fully immersed. The PCIe 5.0 interface offers lightning-fast communication between the GPU and the motherboard, reducing bottlenecks and improving overall system performance. Durability and reliability are key features of the ASUS TUF series. This graphics card is built with military-grade components, which provide stable power delivery and a longer lifespan, ensuring that it can handle long hours of gaming without overheating or performance drops. In addition, the protective PCB coating safeguards against moisture, dust, and debris, minimizing the risk of shorts or other damage over time. The 3.1 slot design features a massive fin array that maximizes airflow, and the triple Axial-tech fans are designed to provide superior cooling while keeping noise levels extremely low. This allows you to enjoy long gaming sessions without worrying about heat buildup or distractions from fan noise. Physical protection and build quality are just as impressive. The GPU guard ensures that the graphics card is more resistant to physical stress, reducing the chance of cracks or bending during installation. Additionally, ASUS's Auto Extreme Precision automated manufacturing process ensures consistent quality across every unit, giving you peace of mind that your GPU is reliable and built to last. For enthusiasts who love tweaking performance, the GPU Tweak 3 software offers intuitive controls for monitoring temperature, adjusting clock speeds, and optimizing your GPU for both performance and efficiency. You can fine-tune the settings to get the best balance between cooling, speed, and stability, depending on your gaming or productivity needs. In terms of design, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5060 OC Edition looks as powerful as it performs. With a robust yet sleek exterior, this GPU is not only functional but also visually impressive inside your gaming rig. The combination of military-grade durability, protective features, and advanced cooling makes it a reliable and long-lasting investment. Whether you are a competitive gamer, a creative professional, or a tech enthusiast, this graphics card is built to handle the most demanding applications. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, and modern AAA titles run smoothly at high settings, with the RTX 5060 ensuring that frame rates remain consistently high and visuals stay stunningly detailed. And for content creators using applications like Blender, Adobe Premiere, or AI-based software, the card's AI capabilities and fast memory deliver accelerated performance, making editing, rendering, and simulations faster and more efficient. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5060 8GB GDDR7 OC Edition combines cutting-edge NVIDIA technology, military-grade durability, superior cooling, and advanced software features to create a high-performance GPU that's ideal for modern gamers and creators alike. With AI-enhanced graphics, lightning-fast memory, a powerful cooling solution, and intuitive tweaking options, this card ensures you get the ultimate PC experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating professional content. If you want a graphics card that will deliver consistent performance, reliability, and the ability to handle next-generation games and applications for years to come, the ASUS TUF RTX 5060 OC Edition is an excellent choice.